Today I'm going to talk about the topic. Today I'm going to talk about the lesson that I have learned recently. That is basically, if you really want to do something in your life, it is always going to be difficult to achieve it, because that is the thing that I'm facing right now. Like the thing that I want to achieve, it's just getting so difficult to follow that particular path to achieve that particular thing, that now I'm thinking like, should I do it this or not, because मुझे जितनी difficult लग रही है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि I can, मैं एक easy life भी जी सकती हूँ, but just that मुझे particularly वही एक चीज़ चाहिए, उसके लिए मैं एक ऐसा path choose करना पड़ रहा है जो कि बहुत difficult है. So this, the lesson that I have learned is that if you have decided for yourself something that you want to achieve this, and then things are not going to be easy, and it's always your choice that do you want to follow that path or not. And this will happen every time. You will, like, in that whole process of achieving something that you want to achieve, you will have two choices: to follow that path and to not follow that path, to choose something else which is easier. Because you will always have two choices, and you don't even know how many times you will have to make choices in that particular whole process for achieving your goal. And I'm talking about this because recently I have gone through this, and I'm going through this, and I think in future I will again go through this, where I will have again choices, to go on with the processes that I, for the particular thing that I want to achieve, or like to just leave it completely and just choose something easy and go on in my life. Why to choose difficult path? But this is the exact thing. I think maybe in future I will make a video where I will say about like these struggles that I'm facing right now to achieving that particular thing, which I will already have achieved at that time. And I think that is exactly all those people are doing who are already successful. So yeah, so the process is difficult, and the process will always give you choice to keep following that particular process, or like to leave it and just choose something else. Yeah. And maybe if we will choose, and we will not be happier if we will not choose something that we want to do. Even though if we will choose path which is easier, I think when we will get old, we will have regret that क्या ही था, मतलब क्या ही टाइम, क्या ही कर लिया वो चीज़ ना करके जो हमें करनी थी, क्या ही क्या ही हो जाता. So I think this is the whole scenario that I'm going through, and I'm making this video to know the ideas, or like to know the feelings of those people who are like me, who are also going through the process for achieving something that they want to achieve. Thank you for listening this video till the end. मैंने एंड का सुना, एंड का सुना मैंने.